Hello everybody, this is Tony Lane with Paul Sherry Conversion Vans here in Piqua, Ohio. I was taking a look at a 2026 Chrysler Voyager LX rear entry ramp van by ATS. First, we're going to take a look at that. One button opens and closes. This is a manual ramp. It's real easy to operate. You have two controls on both sides. It ties down the unit. You lift that up, pull that back. Same thing over here. Lift that up, pull that back. Drop it manually. See, there's the entire ramp for you. This ramp system, ATS system, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tie downs. You got 2 seats in the front, right here, and right here. Walk around the unit real quick. Again, you can find all the information in the comment section if you want more pictures. This is a brand new unit, so it wouldn't really need the auto check, but you can get that information there. Push one button, it opens the door on that side. And as you can see here, over there, walk around to the other side, show you the same thing. You have access on both sides of this Voyager. Same thing I said earlier. One touch opens right up for you. 2 seats on the interior over here. Let me go get inside and show you the front. All the options on the vehicle. You have a large touch screen infotainment center here. As you home, you can use it for, you can tie everything into it. It has XM satellite radio that comes with for a short time that you can get a subscription for unless you already have one. The controls are here. Let me show you the backup camera. Everything overhead so you can shut the doors. That's on both sides. This one has power everything, tilt, cruise control, lane assist. See the adaptive cruise control. Storage down here and here. This one only has around 13 miles on it. Let me show you how to put this ramp back up real quick. You have handles on both sides here and here. Grab it, slide it up. Again, you got those locking clamps. It locks it in place. Push the button, lock it down, push the button and lock it down. So this is all locked up and ready. You have the button right here so you can close the van rear. If you're looking for a conversion van of any type, Paul Sherry's been in business for years and years. We specialize in these types of vans all over the country. We take care of helping you with delivery, financing, trade appraisals. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name again is Tony Lane with Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. Have a good one.